Hi folks, this is Mandeep Sharma. Want to learn AI, machine learning, automation, data science, or programming? Well, the first thing you need is Python. In this video, I will show you what Python is, why developers use it, how to install Python on MacBook, how to connect Python with the VS Code, and how to run your first Python program. By the end of this video, your system will be ready for coding. First thing first, what is Python? Go and see here. Okay. What is Python? Python is basically one of the most popular programming languages in the world. People use Python for AI and machine learning, for data science, for automation, for web development, for cloud computing, for cybersecurity, for APIs, and for analytics, and for many other reasons. And Python is beginner friendly because its syntax is simple and easy to read as compared to other programming languages. Why install Python separately from a VS Code? In my earlier video, I have explained or showed how to install VS Code. But in case of Python, why we install Python separately from VS Code? Because VS Code is only a code editor, okay? And whereas Python is the programming language interpreter. To run Python code inside VS Code, Python must first be installed on your computer, on your machine, whether Windows or Mac operating system or Linux or Ubuntu. So first thing first, download Python. If you see, I open the browser. If you Google it, okay. If you Google it, or if you, yeah, even I can search here on my search bar on Mac operating system. I type Python, okay, and it says downloads, right? Go to the download, and since I'm using a Mac operating system, it automatically detects this version, which is the latest uh, operating version of Python, which is Python 3.14.5. Okay, if I click it here, it will start downloading on my machine. Okay, and I have to double click this. Okay, and I have to just follow the instructions. It's just a 10-second job to get it downloaded on your machine. So just follow these instructions, hit continue for all the options that it will show up, and at the end of the day it will say congratulations, Python is installed. Since I have already installed Python, I won't be following these instructions. So but it's pretty straightforward. You will be, you know, uh, able to install Python very easily. Just follow these instructions. Just you don't have to pick anything else. Just follow continue, continue, continue for all these sections. Okay. So that was the part Python installation. So if you want to verify if Python package is successfully installed in your machine, what you need to do is go to your terminal. Okay, open your terminal, and and type here, um, let's see, so Python 3, okay, version, right? Since I have installed this latest version, Python 3.14.5, it appears on my command prompt, or in Mac operating system in terminal prompt or terminal window. Okay, so that verifies Python is successfully installed. Okay, next, check pip installation. Pip basically helps install Python libraries. Okay, Let's see, I wanna see what version of pip I have on my machine. I have pip 26.1.1. That is the version I have already installed. So by using this um, pip um, installer, I can download or install Python libraries like pandas, a lot more, matplot, seaborn, lot of other libraries. If I just minimize this, okay, so Python is installed, and I want to open my VS um, Studio or VS Code. So here I want to create first a folder, right? So let me create a folder file, or simply just open folder, right? So on a desktop, okay, I want to create a new folder. Let's say Python basics, create it, okay, and I want to open that folder, right? So I just follow this prompt. Yes, I trust the authors because I created the folder, I trust it. And here on this screen, let's open this terminal inside my VS Code, right? So since I have created a folder Python basics, in that folder, I can create or I can, write whatever I want. So since I want to show you if Python is working or not in my VS Code, um, I can show you that. But before that, I want to show you, in the extensions tab on the left bar, you can install, Python extension. I already installed, if you type Python here, okay, it will show up the Python extensions for VS Code. But first you have to install Python inside your machine. Otherwise it won't work, even if you install just the extension. So in order for Python work in VS Code, you have to install Python extension inside VS Code, okay? Since I have already installed it, let me show you, right? I have already installed it. This is showing I have only option uninstall. So yeah, you can install that pretty straightforward, right? So go back to my Python basics folder. So I wanna see if my Python is working in my VS code or not. So what I can do, so simply I can type, I can enter Python 3, hit enter. I am now inside Python programming language platform, right? It is denoted by these three, you know, symbols, greater than symbols, right? So I want to see, okay, let's say I want to print hello world, right? Print hello world, okay. You see, it shows as an output. I gave input print hello world, and the output it gave me hello world. Similarly, if I want to say, name, uh, Mandeep. Oh, sorry. Actually, it should be this is a text. Mandeep is text. It is, I entered as a variable. That's why it's showing me error. So if I go back, if I put in inverted commas, right, and if I enter my age, let's say, just for sake of simplicity, okay, I entered my name and age. If I want to print my name, Mandeep, if I want to print my age 43. Okay, so this is an example of variables. Now if I want to do some simple calculations, so I can also do that. I'm defining a as an integer 10, b as an integer 5. If I want to take a sum of that, I can say a plus b, it gives me answer 15. Okay, so the Python package, is functioning properly. So in the end, in this video, what we have learned what Python is, how to install Python on Mac, verify its installation, and connect Python with VS Code, run your first program. I think, yeah, that's about it. And your setup is now ready for learning Python, AI, machine learning, and automation, whatever you would like to do with that. Thank you for watching.